Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've been searching for a mattifying powder that actually delivers, then stick around. We're taking a closer look at the Iredale PureMatte Finishing Powder Refill, a product designed to keep shine at bay and give you that flawless matte finish. Whether you're dealing with oily T-zones or just want to lock in your makeup for the day, this product promises to do it all. So let's dive into what this powder has to offer, from its ingredients to how it performs in real-world situations. The Iredale PureMatte Finishing Powder is a lightweight, oil-absorbing setting powder designed for those with dry skin who still want a matte finish without the dreaded cakey look. It's a translucent powder that claims to provide a shine-free, airbrushed look while allowing the skin's natural texture to breathe. Inside the jar, you'll find a finely milled powder that promises to balance moisture levels, leaving skin with a velvety, smooth finish. In terms of ingredients, the powder is free from synthetic fragrances, parabens, and cruelty, something I know many of you care about. It's enriched with natural minerals and works well on dry skin, as it doesn't settle into fine lines or accentuate dryness. The matte finish is soft, and the product claims to absorb excess oil without making your face look flat. When I first incorporated this powder into my routine, I was curious to see how it would perform on dry skin. The application is super easy. Just a light dusting with a brush over my foundation, and the finish was instantly matte without feeling heavy or drying. I've tried it in different environments: morning meetings, casual days out, and even under the hot lights for filming, and it held up remarkably well, keeping shine at bay without a touch-up for hours. The texture of the powder is silky, and it doesn't cake up or look too powdery on the skin, which I appreciate. However, I did notice that if you go too heavy-handed with it, it can feel a little drying, especially around areas with more texture. So a light hand is definitely key here. As for its longevity, I found that it held up pretty well throughout the day. Of course, if you're someone who tends to get super oily, or if you have a long day ahead, you may want to carry it with you for a quick reapplication, but it definitely helps keep the shine under control for several hours. Let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the Iredale PureMatte Finishing Powder does a fantastic job of delivering a true matte finish without being too heavy or drying, which can be a challenge with many matte powders out there. The formula is also very fine, meaning it doesn't settle into pores or fine lines, which is a huge plus for anyone with dry skin. Another pro is the fact that it's free from parabens and synthetic fragrances, making it great for sensitive skin. However, the powder is on the pricier side. While it performs well, especially for those with dry skin who still want a matte finish, you might find similar products at a lower price point. The jar is also a bit small, so you'll need to be cautious about overuse. In terms of value for money, I would say this powder is definitely worth it for those who prioritize skincare-friendly ingredients and a natural matte finish. If you're someone who wears makeup regularly and needs something to keep shine at bay without compromising your skin's health, this product will likely serve you well. When comparing it to other mattifying powders, Iredale's version stands out due to its skin-friendly, clean ingredients. While you might find cheaper options that give you a similar matte finish, none that I've tried are as gentle on the skin, especially if you have dry or sensitive skin. As for build quality, the packaging is simple and compact, making it easy to carry around in your bag. The product itself is well made, and while the jar isn't the most luxurious, it's certainly practical and functional. Now, for those of you who want similar products at a more affordable price point, you might want to check out the ELF Cosmetics Perfect Finish HD Powder or the Maybelline Fit Me Matte's Poreless Powder. Both provide great matte finishes and tend to be more budget-friendly options. To wrap it all up, the Iredale PureMatte Finishing Powder is an excellent option for those looking for a matte finish that won't dry out or accentuate fine lines. It's lightweight, offers long-lasting shine control, and comes with clean ingredients. If you have dry skin and want to achieve a matte finish without the cakey look, this product could be your new best friend. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We love hearing your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.